welcome back to my channel. My name is Karishma and I make videos on beauty and food. Today's video is going to be on beauty, and this is primarily going to be for women, working mothers who don't really have the time between their schedule at home and schedule at work and other schedules, which is quite a bit to fit into. And this is basically a quick fix makeup look for them to look presentable for all of us. I'm a working mother too. So for us to look presentable, feel good, feel amazing, feel confident. By no means I'm saying if you don't wear makeup, you don't feel confident, but this is for us, some of us who like to wear a bit of makeup to cover our imperfections and feel presentable. So this is a quick makeup look that I've done with a few products that and I hope you find it easy to recreate it on yourselves. So let's get started. So I'll start by applying the Perrine Eternal Glow Nectar. This is an oil, and it's amazing. It doesn't feel oily at all. It's very non-sticky, and it gives a good glow to the face. So I've already applied my moisturizer. I'm going to just apply this before I go in with my concealer. It just is very nice before you apply any sort of base or foundation. For this look, I'm just going to apply the Infallible concealer. This is in the shade 312 Amber. As you can see, I'm just applying it. I'm just applying very little, just to combat the imperfections on my face. And because this is so good in terms of coverage, I don't really need anything else on my face to cover my imperfections. So as you can see, I'm just spreading this, whatever is remaining from the other areas, I'm just spreading it to the rest of my face to give a more even coverage. Since you're a working mother and since we are so busy and on the move all the time, we have to ensure that we need to powder this, because we are sweating, we're running around, so powdering it just keeps everything in place. So you don't need to overdo it, just a bit with your brush all over, so that kind of locks it in and seals it in, and it looks really flawless. The next product I'm using is blush. I'm just going to take a bit of it on the apples of my cheek. I'm a bit pale, so just to give some color to my cheeks and my face. It also gives some dimension, especially when you're a bit pale. So that's it. Slap a bit on and you're good to go. This step you can skip if you like. Just applying some Kajal. Again, you can walk out the door just with mascara, but if you have time, you can just apply some Kajal. What I do is I just apply and then I smudge it. It, and I don't go to the inner corner, inside of my eye, because it kind of closes the eye. You want to keep your eye open, so the important part is to just kind of give it some definition right until where your eyeball is. Whatever is remaining on the brush, I'm just going to put that on my top lid, so that gives it a bit of definition as well, right? So again, smudging this and just applying a bit on my top lid. There you go. Now I haven't really applied foundation on the top of my eyelids because I don't feel it's necessary. When you're just on the go, really need to move out quick, you need to get yourself organized, you need to, you know, look and define yourself a little better with makeup, but you really are in a hurry, so you don't need to apply this, because anyway some people put concealer and then we put eyeshadow, so anyway it forms a little brownish overcast, so this is absolutely fine. Next I'm gonna go in with mascara. This is the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I would say that even if you skip the Kajal step or any kind of liner step, your mascara is the go-to, your mascara is the winner. So don't skip mascara, because that just opens the eyes up and gives your eyes a more finished look, as I have done now. So this is the eyes done. It didn't take a lot of time at all. Next I'm just going to apply a lipstick, or it's actually more like a lip gloss kind of lipstick. This is the Nykaa liquid matte lipstick. It is it's in the shade Bombae. Again, I love this one. Because it's a lovely nude shade. This does dry matte, so it's something that you can actually wear the whole day, and I think this lasts about 2 to 3 hours. If you eat something or drink something, then it lasts for about 2 to 3 hours. It can last more if you're more careful with what you eat. So that's the Nykaa liquid lipstick. I absolutely love this lipstick because and this shade, because it just is so wearable and it actually looks really good on a fair to medium skin tone. So it's something you can consider for sure. I'm just gonna seal this in with some makeup fixer. This is the MAC makeup fixer, MAC micro finish makeup fixer. This is something I use most of the time, so that's what I finish my makeup with. So this is the finished look, everyone. This is something that is simple. We're busy mothers, we're working mothers. It gets really difficult to slap something onto the face, and we don't want to do something elaborate. So this is a small little snippet of what you can do before walking out the door, and which gives us more confidence. It just covers our imperfections, and we feel better. So at least I feel better with covering a little bit of my imperfections, because we're so dragged down the entire day with all our routine and schedule that at the end of the day, before we begin our day and walk out the door, we want to ensure that we just look a bit more presentable than what we already look. So this is the finished look, this is the makeup. I hope you like it. Do give it a try. It's very simple. All you need is a few products. So go ahead and try it. Thank you so much for watching.